Welcome back, mathematicians. Now, that is a special word for people that are really good at maths, just like you. Today, we are going to understand number bonds to 10. So before we start, as we do every day, we're going to practice by warming up our brains. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, to get us really clever, we're not going to start at number 1. We're going to start at number 4. You ready? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And to go backwards, we're not going to start at number 10. We're going to start at number 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That just makes you very clever if you can do that. So, we're going to understand number bonds to 10. So first thing I have is our tens frame. Here's our 10 frame. Now I know, just by looking at my 10 frame, that I have 10 counters. I don't have 9, I don't have 5, I have 10. Because every single box has a counter in it. So that means that I have 10. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine some of my counters to make 10. So do you remember when we combined our groups and our numbers yesterday? So today we are going to just use the 10 frame first, and I'm going to change some of these. Now I still have 10 because it's a number bonds to 10, but I've changed the look of some of my counters. It says that I have 3 blue and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 red. Now to record that, I'm going to say 3 add 7 equals, how many do I have altogether? 10. Brilliant. Because it's number bonds to 10, and this is my tens frame. I can also, because we're very clever at our maths, I can also say that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 reds and 3 blues. And it's still going to come to 10. Aren't you clever? We're going to do another one. Now what can we write on our number sentence now? We have 5 add 5, because we have 5 blues and 5 reds, equals 10. Now we could do it the other way like we did here, but it still looks the same. So we actually don't need to write that. Okay, let's finish with our tens frame for a minute. We're going to use another type of maths equipment. This is our Numicon, and this is our Numicon that is number 10. So what I need to do is I need to match this, but I don't have another number 10. What I have is different numbers. So if I put this one and this one, do they look the same? Nearly, don't they? But not quite. Ah, this one. Are they the same now? Fantastic. So let's write that in a number sentence. 6 add or plus 4 equals, what's our whole number? 10. Brilliant. Or we can also say 4 add 6 equals 10. Fantastic. Let's see if we can do a different one. Okay, that looks the same. So I have 3, and I'm going to add it to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equals 10, or 7 add plus 3 equals, what's the total again? The whole number? 10. Brilliant. So now we've used Numicon and we've used a 10 frame. We're going to record it in a different way for a second. Instead of using our number sentence, we're going to use what's called a part-whole model. This is the whole number, and these are the 2 parts. So our whole number is 10. So let me find number 10. There's our number 10. And I need to work out what 2 parts make my whole number. So what 2 parts equal my whole number? I have this one. Let's see if I can find another one. Aha! Brilliant. So I've got 2 and 8. So to write that into a number sentence, I can say 2 add 8 equals 10. Or I could say 8 add 2 equals 10. Fantastic. Let's do this one and this one. So, what 2 parts do I need for this one? I need number 1 and I need number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So I have 1 add 9 equals 10, or I have 9 add 1 equals 10. Fantastic. If you're feeling very clever, we can also write it a different way. We're going to say 10 equals 9 add 1, or 10 equals 1 add 9. It all means the same thing. The part-whole model information, the Numicon information, and the number sentences all mean the same thing. That 1 add 9 equals 10. Fantastic job, everybody. Can't wait to see you next time.